Okay, so we got Euro AUD, Euro Aussie. So this one too I marked up yesterday. Prices in this area, so it actually broke way higher than I thought it would, but now it's in this zone here. I'm not that confident in a short position. It would be counter trend trading. This is still very bullish, it looks. This is just an idea I had. If price starts switching directions, which I actually don't think it will, because based on how this weekly candle closed, I mean it doesn't look like it really wants to sell off. So I don't think this is I don't think this is that great of a setup and something that I'm counting on. But if we look on a monthly, like there's a lot of wicks in this area, so it really depends on how this month closes. But as far as the weekly goes, I think this is probably going to push through. But this is a pretty wicky zone, so it's kind of anything's possible at this point for this pair, I think, because I mean it could break through this zone, keep heading up, but it also could turn around. I mean, this would be an area where price might want to turn around just because there's these huge wicks, right? Like it hasn't broken, on a monthly aspect, it hasn't broken this in forever. So this month could start pulling back. Granted, we still have 3 weeks, so plenty of time for it to do so. But yeah, that's Euro Aussie. I don't really have a trade or anything for this because, yeah, like I said, I mean, unless you wanted to look for a buy position, but I mean, you're kind of already running out of steam. You could move these up here, and then this would be your kind of your buy area, 160, 350. I guess depends on what type of trader you are, but I don't like trades that don't have supply zones, and I don't like trades that don't have a lot of like range, for example. So like this is your potential high for the month is 169.5. So there's just not enough pips here for me to actually want this, even if I was considering buying through this zone and hitting the next target upwards. Price would have to pull back quite a bit, and then I mean that changes a lot of things. So for me personally, with Euro Aussie, there's just not much right now. I don't know. I'm too uncertain about the future based on the weekly and the monthly previous closes. I think it's in an area of high resistance, but as far as right now, it is showing quite bullish. I mean, it's higher highs, higher lows, creating support zones. So really up to you to decide what you would do with Euro Aussie, because for me, I would just leave it alone for now. So that's that.